Hello friends, today we will learn about the anthrax disease. Before starting the disease, we have seen in our previous lecture, we have to know some points. What are those points? Number one is etiology. We have to know etiology or cause. Then we have to know the transmission, means how the disease is transmitted from one animal to other animal. Next point is symptoms. Unless and until we don't know the symptoms of disease, we we cannot properly diagnose the disease. We cannot say the name of, we cannot say the name of particular disease. We can't. Then the diagnosis is very important one to give a proper treatment. After the diagnosis, the next point is the treatment. When the diagnosis is completed, then the next point comes, that is the treatment, because the treatment is totally depends on the diagnosis. Diagnosis is totally depends on the symptoms, okay, and symptoms are totally depends on the etiology or cause of this disease, okay. After the treatment, next point comes, the name of that point is control, okay. So we have to memorize all these points while writing the answer of these questions. If the anthrax is asked in the examination, in that case we have to memorize all these points. We have to give some introductory part about the anthrax, okay. Then we have to give the etiology of this disease or cause of this disease, then how this disease is transmitted from one animal to other animal, what are the different symptoms present in this disease, and how to diagnose this disease. We have seen that the diagnosis is totally depends on the symptoms. Whatever the symptoms observed in that animals, on the basis of these symptoms, and we may diagnose this disease. Diagnosis is also carried out by taking the blood sample, by taking the urine sample and sending it to laboratory. When we will get the report, on the basis of that report we may give a particular name to that disease, okay. When the disease is properly diagnosed, in that case which treatment is available on that disease, only that treatment is given, okay. So the treatment is totally depends on the diagnosis, and in the treatment point is the any treatment is available on that disease, that this treatment is given. After the treatment, it becomes necessary to control that disease. I have already stated in my previous lecture that the prevention is better than cure, okay. So here some preventive measures are also given, prevention. So in this way any disease is explained in the examination, and in today's lecture we are going to see in detail about the anthrax. Anthrax disease is a pre-acute disease affecting the cattle, sheep, horses, and pig. Man is also susceptible to this disease. Okay. Causative organism or the etiology of this disease is Bacillus anthracis. Bacillus anthracis. Okay. So, this is the causal organism, that is the Bacillus anthracis. Now, the transmission, how this disease is transmitted. This disease is transmitted to contaminated food, feed, water and air. Okay. So, this is the short point. It means that the point is clear. The disease is transmitted to contaminated feed, water and air. Now, let us see the symptoms. What are the different symptoms? The first symptoms, that is the rise in body temperature, that is the fever. Abdomen pain of that animal, blood oozes out of rectum and nostrils. So, this is very important symptoms. Generally, you cannot see the blood oozes out of the rectum and nostrils. In previous lectures, we have seen the rinderpest, and in that rinderpest, we have not seen the blood oozes from the nostrils, okay, and the rectum. But here in this case, in case of anthrax, this type of the symptoms is generally found. Okay. Then number fourth, when we observe the spleen of this animal, is enlarged ten to 15 times than its normal size. Okay. So, these are the important symptoms which is found in this disease, that is the anthrax. Let us see once again the symptoms, that is the fever. The fever is generally not normal, it is more than 101 degree Fahrenheit. Then we may observe the abdomen pain. Then the blood oozes out of the rectum and the nostrils, spleen enlarge and it enlarges 10 to 15 times than the normal size of spleen. Okay. And out of these symptoms, you may also see, that is the loss of appetite, which is the common symptoms in all disease. Loss of appetite. Okay. So, these are the symptoms. Now, the next point is the diagnosis. How will you diagnose? The first diagnosis is the sudden death. While writing diagnosis, write down the first point like that. Depends on the diagnosis is totally depends on the above symptom. Okay, depends on above symptoms, and then write down like sudden death, okay, sudden death, then blood smear test, blood smear, you may see the presence of large blue rods, you may see the blue large rods. Okay. So, these are the three important points of diagnosis. The first point, that is the depends on the above symptoms. We have seen already the symptoms of this disease. The main symptoms is we may observe the blood oozes out of the rectum and nostrils. So, this is the first point, that is it depends on above symptoms. Second point is the sudden death of animal, and when the blood smear test is taken, we may see a large blue rods. Okay. So, these are the diagnosis point. Then the next point is treatment. Actually, in this disease, no specific treatment is available, but as a supportive treatment, when we consider when we see the treatment for this disease, as the treatment is not available on this disease, but as a supportive treatment, some antibiotics and the anti-anthrax serums are given. So, let us see the point, that is the treatment. The first treatment, that is the as a supportive, antibiotics are given, then anti-anthrax serum is given. Okay. Then the penicillin is also given, and it is given the 5 million units, and it is given twice daily. Okay. Then again the streptomycin is also given. And it is given 8 to 10 gram daily in 2 doses. Okay, means twice a day. Again the oxytetracycline, (5 milligram per kg body weight). Okay. It is found that the anti-anthrax serum, anti-anthrax serum is very effective in conjunction with the antibiotics, but it is too expensive for the routine use, anti-anthrax serum. But when this anti-anthrax serum is given with the antibiotics, but it is very effective. It found that it is very effective. So, this is the treatment which is available for this disease, that is the anthrax disease. Now, how to the next point is the control measure. As I told you earlier, prevention is better than cure. Control or and prevention. We have to stop spreading of this disease, and for this purpose some preventive measures are taken. To prevent this disease, the vaccination is very important one. Periodically in academic area, the vaccination should be given. The vaccine consists of living attenuated strains of organisms with low virulence but capable of forming spores have been most successful. Okay. So, the vaccination is carried out to prevent this disease, and to control this disease, the hygiene is the biggest single factor in prevention of spread of disease. So, we have to maintain hygiene in shade. We have to maintain hygiene in the shade because it is the biggest single factor to prevent in prevention of spread of this disease. And next one is the careful disposal of the infected material in most important. Means we have to dispose the infected material. Whatever the material is infected, we have to dispose it. And infected carcass should not be opened. It should be burned or buried. And if we are not burning the dead animal, in that case the burial is carried out. So, that dead animal should be buried 6 feet deep. Then all the suspected cases, it means that suspected cases of animal, they should be separated. All these separated. Disinfection of the premises. Okay. So, these are the control measures which are generally carried out in the shade of animals, and we have to take care of all these control measures, then only we may prevent the spreading of diseases, we may prevent the transmission of disease from one animal to other animal. So, this is all about the anthrax disease. So, we have seen in detail about